Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Mister.
Mister.
Good
Morning, Mister.
How are you today?
I'm fine,
I'm
thank
fine,
you.
thank you. And you?
I'm very good. Very good, thank you. Well, I hope all of you are in good condition, class. Okay, class, welcome back to our English class with me, Mr. Bagus. And before we start our lessons today, first, let's pray to our beliefs. And may God bless all of us. For that, pray, begin. Okay, finish. Thank you. Okay, class. On the last meeting, we have learned about how to create a personal recount text based on your experience. And we had learned it by a video slide. Ya, you still remember? Apakah kalian masih ingat? Kita kemarin belajar bagaimana cara menulis teks recount menggunakan tayangan video. Ya, but from the text that you made, dari teks yang sudah kalian buat, some of you are still using wrong tense or grammar. Beberapa di antara kalian itu masih ada yang menggunakan grammar atau tenses yang kurang tepat atau yang tidak tepat. Dan beberapa di antara kalian juga mengcopy paste yang berasal dari internet. Ya, Bapak tahu. Tapi Bapak tidak ingin kalian melakukan hal seperti itu. I don't want you to do that. Okay? You understand?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. And from that case, I would like you to fix it. And I would like you to improve your writing skills of personal recount text based your experience by video slides or audio visual. Okay, now I would like to share a video to you. Wait a moment. Okay. So our learning activity today is how to improve your writing skills of personal recount text. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran hari ini itu adalah bagaimana kalian memperbaiki atau meningkatkan keterampilan menulis kalian terhadap teks personal recount berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi kalian sendiri. Oke, di sini Bapak akan menayangkan sebuah video pembelajaran tentang bagaimana kalian meningkatkan keterampilan menulis tersebut dengan belajar menggunakan tayangan video. Oke, check this out. Okay, this is the script of the video. Who wants to read the script? Who wants to read the text, class? Oke, siapa yang mau membaca teksnya? Who wants to read the text? Okay, Sita. Are you there, Sita?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, can you read the text, please?
Okay, Mister.
Okay, please read it carefully.
At the beach on Saturday, my friend and I went to the beach. While we were at the beach, we played in the water. Then we had lunch. We brought delicious food to eat. After lunch, we built a sandcastle. Later, it began to rain, so we packed our things and went home. Finally, we arrived in my house. We were tired, but we were very happy spending our day at the beach.
Okay, good, Sita. Okay,
Thank
class.
you, Mister.
Okay, class. Have you heard about Sita's reading about the text? Apakah kalian sudah mendengar? Okay, kalau sudah. So, what can you learn from the text, class?
How to write a personal recount text.
Okay, good, Wisnu. We have learned about how to write a personal recount text. Okay, good, Wisnu. And then, to write a personal recount text, there are several things that you need to know. What are they? What are
They
they?
are generic structure and language feature.
Okay, Dinda. To write a personal recount text, there are several things you need to know. What are they? They are
They are generic
structure.
structure and
What else?
language feature.
Yeah, language features. Okay, good, Dinda. Okay, from the generic structure, there are three important things. What are they? From the generic structure.
Orientation,
Ya.
event, and reorientation.
Okay, good. Siapa yang jawab itu?
Verda, Mister.
Oh, Verda. Okay, good, Verda. From the generic structure, there are three important things. What are they? They are orientation, events, and reorientation. Good. And what are the orientation about? What are...
Menceritakan mengenai latar belakang informasi tentang siapa, di mana, kapan kejadian atau peristiwa terjadi.
Okay, it's about personal or people involved in and time and place. Good. And then what else?
Events.
Oh, okay, events. Sequence of events. Kemudian yang ketiga itu ada number 3.
Reorientation.
Reorientations. Okay, good. And how about the language features? How about the language features?
Number 1, using simple past tense. Number 2, adverb, time and place. Number 3, conjunction, should, ask, will, and then, after that, and so on.
Okay, bacanya kurang keras ya. Okay, the language features of recount text. Number 1, using simple past tense, class. Okay, number 2, adverbs. Adverb yang digunakan itu adalah adverbs time and place. Okay, number 3, conjunction. For example, while, after that, and then, etc., and so on. Okay, good. So, class, from what we have learned today, I hope you can improve your writing skills of personal recount text. Ya, dari apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini, Bapak harap kalian dapat meningkatkan keterampilan menulis kalian terhadap teks personal recount. Oke, kelas. So far, any question? Ada pertanyaan, kelas? So far, any questions? If there's no questions, I would like you to read the question number 2 and number 3 about the text, class. Dari teks yang sudah Bapak berikan, Bapak harap kalian dapat menjawab pertanyaan nomor 2 dan nomor 3 dari teks yang sudah Bapak berikan. Yang pertama itu sudah dibaca tadi sama Sita, okay, good. Kemudian yang kedua, siapa yang mau jawab? Melia. Mungkin Melia, silakan dibaca pertanyaannya, Melia. Read the question, Melia.
Circle the verb you find in the text.
Okay, circle the verbs you find in the text. What does it mean? Circle the verbs you find in the text, class.
Lingkari kata kerja yang terdapat di dalam teks.
Oke, lingkari kata kerja yang terdapat dalam teks. Yang mana saja termasuk kata kerja dari teks tersebut.
When.
Oke, when. Dan tentunya kata kerja yang digunakan karena kita menggunakan tenses simple, past tense. Kemudian verb yang digunakan itu adalah verb bentuk kedua. Iya, good. Yang pertama itu ada when, kemudian apa lagi? What else? Played. Okay, played. What else?
Had.
Okay. What else?
Broke.
Yes, brought. We brought. Kemudian, what else?
Tired.
Will.
Apa lagi?
Will.
Will. Build. Oke, build. Kemudian apa lagi? Next. Began. Oke, what else? What else, class? Pack. Okay, what else? Arrive. Okay, any else? Any else, class? Okay, good. Next, number 3. Okay, Anissa, coba dibaca pertanyaannya, please. Read the question.
Underline the adverb of time in the text.
Okay, underline the adverbs of the time in the text. Artinya, what does it mean, class? What does it mean?
Garis bawah.
Ya, underline itu garis bawahi. Adverbs itu apa?
Kata keterangan.
Dalam
Ya,
teks.
kata keterangan waktu yang terdapat dalam teks. Jadi, which one? Which yang manakah termasuk ke dalam kata keterangan waktu dalam teks?
On Saturday.
On Sunday.
Ya, Saturday. What else?
At the beach.
At the beach.
Waktu.
Time, place itu at the beach ya. Kalau time itu on Sunday, on Saturday. Ada lagi kelas? Gitu, cuma itu saja. Oke kelas. Sejauh ini apakah ada pertanyaan kelas? No?
No.
Oke. Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, Bapak harap kalian nanti bisa meningkatkan atau memperbaiki keterampilan menulis kalian berdasarkan video atau teks yang sudah kalian pelajari, kelas. Ya, Bapak tidak ingin kalian membuat sebuah teks personal recount itu menggunakan grammar yang salah atau tenses yang salah, apalagi kalian copy paste di internet ya. Bapak ingin kalian membuat teks recount itu berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi kalian. You understand, class? Apakah bisa dipahami? Okay, good. Okay, class. If there's no questions, we finish our lesson till here, class. Thank you for joining this meeting and goodbye. See you next week's class.